This is the Daily Market Comment at XM.com by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujo. U.S. and Chinese negotiators resumed trade talks in Washington on Monday amid a tense environment as the Trump administration added another 28 Chinese public security bureaus and companies to its trade blacklist. With the two sides far apart on key issues, the prospect of a major breakthrough in this week's talks was never lower. However, there is hope that some kind of an interim deal, potentially covering agricultural products, can be agreed upon, which would keep the negotiations open and lead to further mini deals down the line. But judging by Trump's latest remarks, the U.S. is pushing for a broader agreement. Speaking on Monday, Trump said, "I would much prefer a big deal, and I think that's what we're shooting for." But he also said, "We think there's a chance we could do something very substantial," which helped lift market sentiment. Asian stocks closed sharply higher on Tuesday, while European shares were also modestly positive. Should enough progress be made so that the U.S. decides to postpone raising tariffs on October 15th, this could provide the current risk-on tone an extra boost. The Australian and New Zealand dollars also benefited from the improved sentiment, while the safe haven yen was broadly weaker. The Chinese yuan was another star performer, gaining 0.4% against the greenback. Things aren't particularly good for the pound, as the prospect of the UK and EU agreeing to a deal is looking increasingly slim. The British government fueled speculation of a general election, suggesting it sees little chance of a deal, with just days left before any agreement can realistically be reached before the October 31st deadline. The EU yesterday set out a point-by-point rejection of the UK's Brexit plan, but Prime Minister Johnson is insisting that the UK has made enough compromises and that the ball is in the EU's court. Should the two sides fail to resolve their differences in the coming days, Johnson is expected to file a legal challenge in the courts against the bill that would force him to seek a Brexit extension if no deal is reached by October 19th. Thank you for watching the Daily Market Comment here at XM.com.